Hi there, handbaggers, and welcome to the Duck's Nest. This is the Military Mom, and in this video I have an unboxing that I want to share with you all. But before I get to the unboxing, I just have a couple of thoughts that I want to share. So I had a subscriber comment in one of my videos that she liked my style, and of course I thanked her, but I had to admit that my style has been pretty vintage and retro lately when it comes to my beloved Dooney and Burke, because Dooney lately just has not had anything that has rocked my world. I think over the past maybe 6 months, I've only bought probably 6 new releases from Dooney and Burke, and I'm sure several of those were not brand new, but they have been out for a while. I'm just not, I don't know, am I alone? I'm just not feeling any of the new releases from Dooney. So those of you who follow my channel will know that I am on eBay a lot. I buy a lot of retro and vintage styles because those are the styles that are appealing to me now from Dooney and Burke. I don't know, I'm just not feeling Dooney right now. There are some classics out there, but the classics are not new bags. They're on the secondary market, and I feel myself drawn to those classics because they are the true Dooney and Burke bags to me. Yeah, that's just the way I'm feeling right now. And there is one classic that I have tried to make work, but it's just one of those bags that I cannot. I love it. I love looking at it. It just personally, when I carry it, it doesn't work for me, and that is the nylon Smith. I love the look of that nylon Smith. I love the fact that it has 2 exterior pockets, one on the front and one on the back. And the handles on the nylon bags are leather. But when I actually carry that Smith, it just doesn't work for me. So I am admiring all of the nylon Smiths that I am seeing in the videos these days, and I will have to admire her from afar because, yeah, she just doesn't work for me. You know, it's like that sometimes. So that nylon Smith, honestly, is why I have been on a tote hunt / stalk recently, because mostly everything that's come into the Duck's Nest has been a tote style, because I have been trying to compensate for the fact that the Smith does not work for me. And that is really what I am unboxing today, is another tote. So let me just get right to it. This is from eBay. Let me just, hold on one second. I'm gonna shift the camera. Interesting packaging. Love it. This bag was really packaged well. Look, there's more in the bottom. Nice sized box. It wasn't shoved into a bag. It was protected by this truck stop plastic. I honestly could care less what bag is protecting my bag as long as it's plastic. So this says car shop, and what does that say? Truck shop. From Orange, California. All right. So here is the latest tote hatchling from the Duck's Nest. Thank you, seller, for your awesome packaging. Dooney could take notes. So this is the Davis Tassel tote. And you all give me just a second because I want to inspect her. I'm not sure I have to do much inspection because, as you can see by the fact that her handles are still wrapped, she is new with tags. So let me just show you the tag. I don't know if that's coming across. Now, I love the color. I love the fact that it's cotton. I wish it had exterior pockets. It does not, but I love the vachetta trim on this bag, the fact that it's a signature piece, so I have added another signature piece. She has feet, and there's a thank you note from the seller, which is always classy. And here is the interior SDS standard Dooney setup. She has a zip top closure, and you'll see that that zip top is pristine. Of course, this is a new bag that still, of course, has the registration card and the sticker in the zipper pocket. And you'll see that her interior pockets are collared with leather, the beautiful red twill interior, and the duck patch there. A look at her strap connections, and she has a webbed key keeper. A nice capacity. Let me do the elbow test, which again is sort of hard when you're sitting down, but she passes the elbow test. So there is my newest hatchling from the Duck's Nest with her beautiful trim and just, I think, a really pretty bag. Very summery. So let me ask you all this. Are you the kind of handbagger like I am where, okay, I have a green tote, so of course I have to have a green crossbody, light green, dark green, and I have to have a green satchel. Am I the only one? My colors and my silhouettes have to coincide. So if I have a red satchel, I want a red tote, and I want a red drawstring. Yeah, that's the kind of handbagger that I am. And speaking of drawstrings, let me share this with you. When you buy retro and vintage on the secondary market, Dooney and Burke, you kind of have to be careful. Let me show you what I got into. This is a retro drawstring. Now, it's very small, and I knew it would be because I wanted a small drawstring. This bag came in very good condition. You can tell by her corners, and you can also tell by the style that this is an older bag. She did have some tassel issues. The seller did not do any kind of tassel management, which is okay because I can control the tassels myself. But you guys, let me show you this. This is a shoulder bag. Now, just because her capacity is small, she was very clean on the inside. What am I gonna do with this strap? This, the strap drop on this bag is about, can you see that? That is about 16 inches. It's really short. So I do have a use for her, but it's not a crossbody. So just a word to the wise, if you are ordering vintage or retro Dooney and Burke, be careful with the shoulder length on a crossbody, because I have other vintage bags that are not quite this short, but they are shorter than, say, this strap drop on this Caldwell Waverly. Now, I'm 5'9", and this strap is almost too long for me. I had to put it on the very shortest notch, as you will see there, because Dooney went from one extreme to the other. So again, if you are ordering vintage Dooney with a shoulder bag on secondary market, just be careful about the strap drop. So I think that is all that I wanted to share with you all in this video. Thank you for dropping by the Duck's Nest, and as always, happy caring.